could be a street in Paris, but this is Hanoi, the quiet heart of its French Quarter. But not the Hanoi of motorbikes and noise. As the day fades, another side of the city comes alive, quiet, elegant, and touched by time. On streets like Trentien, elegance lingers, luxury shops nestle into colonial walls. And just around the corner, the Sofitel Metropole, a timeless witness to Hanoi's French past. Evening settles as wine glasses clink and stories drift into the night air. But not all is polished. Time has its own plans. Some walls now whisper in fading tones, remnants of a Hanoi less restored, yet just as real. Yet, not all stories fade. Some are renovated, restored, and still breathe with purpose. But the French Quarter is more than facades and history. It's a feeling found in the quiet rustle of leaves at twilight, in a stranger's silent meditation, or in the warm gold that lingers just a moment longer on old streets. Here, Hanoi slows down, and for a quiet few moments, the city becomes a canvas of memories, painted in light and silence. The streets begin to blur, people return, lights flicker on, and the motion takes over once more. But if you have seen closely, you know there's a different Hanoi here, quieter,